good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is unshakable resilience when the divine stands beside. Ladies and gentlemen, the modern world races ahead with dazzling speed, yet beneath the surface, many search for an anchor. Knowledge expands, opportunities multiply, but inner steadiness often falters when challenges intensify. What sustains resilience in such moments is not resistance against the storm, but the assurance of a presence that never withdraws. When human effort is held by this companionship, resilience transforms from a fragile attempt into a quiet, unshakable strength. Resilience is more than toughness. It is adaptive strength, the ability to bend without breaking, to return with clarity intact. The bamboo sways in the storm, yet does not break. The ocean accepts countless rivers, yet does not overflow. Science affirms this understanding. Neuroscience shows that the brain can rewire itself under adversity, building new circuits of strength. Psychology observes that those who feel supported recover faster and face pressure with sharper clarity. Even physics offers a metaphor. In quantum entanglement, particles remain connected across vast distances, influencing each other beyond visible contact. Such discoveries echo a deeper truth. Resilience is not solitary. It is sustained by connection, seen or unseen. Ancient wisdom gave this insight its timeless expression. On the battlefield of Kurukshetra, warrior Arjuna faltered, unable to lift his bow. His strength returned not because the conflict vanished, but because Lord Krishna stood beside him. That companionship transformed despair into conviction and hesitation into purposeful action. The revered Bhagavad Gita teaches that resilience is not born in isolation, but in communion with the eternal. Here lies a profound recognition. Human bonds, though precious, may falter in the severest storms. Love may remain, but not every hand can hold in moments of deep trial. These are the very times that awaken awareness of an unfailing presence, the divine, the cosmic intelligence that never abandons. When this bond is consciously cultivated, the heart steadies, the mind clears, and action regains coherence. To the world, it appears as courage, but in truth, it is resilience born of brain entrainment and communion with the eternal. And the revered Bhagavad Gita proclaims its ultimate assurance. Wherever there is Krishna, the Lord of Yoga, and wherever there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will also certainly be opulence, victory, extraordinary power and morality. This archetype ensures across time the finite strengthened by the infinite, the human steadied by the divine. What's the way forward? Resilience today matures through three simple alignments, accessible to all, yet profound in their effect. First, inner alignment, quiet moments of stillness and deep breathing, even brief, can settle the body's restlessness and clear the mind. Second, relational alignment, companionship, conversations, and environments that inspire higher thought act like steadying pillars in times of uncertainty. Third, transcendent alignment, most vital of all, is cultivating divine companionship. This is not abstract. It grows through regular conscious practice with sincerity, surrender, and emotional communion. Thoughts, prayers, and requests shared inwardly are not lost. They shape a living bond. Over time, this bond becomes the ultimate assurance, the hand that holds in silence, the guidance that strengthens in storms, the power that transforms fear into courage. This assurance is eternal. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, resilience matures when reliance shifts from fragile supports to the eternal companionship that does not falter. Circumstances may shake, voices may fall silent, but the unseen hand remains steady in support. In that presence, burdens lighten, and even the fairest battlefield becomes a ground of dignity. As Lord Krishna assured Arjuna, to those who remain steadfast, meditating on me with a single pointed mind, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. And again, abandon all other shelters and take refuge in me alone. Do not grieve. The essence is timeless. Wherever Krishna and Arjuna stand together, there is resilience, courage, and victory. Wherever the human opens to the divine, there arises a strength that is unshakable, luminous, guiding, and eternal across ages, cultures, and continents. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.